Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here. I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to do this fun and adorable pumpkin pattern. I'm using worsted weight, green and orange yarn, plus a Tunisian hook in size 5.5 millimeters. This pattern requires a multiple of 4 stitches and I've got 28. We need to do a foundation row, but I'm not going to do that here in the interest of time. If you need help doing that, you can click on the link above or the link in the description. This is the end of the foundation row and I have 1 stitch left. Instead of finishing with green, I'm going to pick up the orange and pull through. Then tighten down the ends. To create the pumpkins, we'll first start with a simple stitch in the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. The next stitch is where we'll do the pumpkin, and we want to do it as if to knit. So yarn over, then insert your hook right there as if you were going to knit, yarn over and pull through 2. Then do that again, yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 2. And then 3 more times, so there are 5 double crochets in that space. Next will be simple stitches in the next 3. And then in the next stitch, repeat 5 double crochets in the same space. Pick up a simple stitch in each of the next 3 stitches. In the next stitch, another 5 double crochets. And continue that pattern to the last stitch on the row. At the end of the row, there's 1 stitch left. Go through that loop and then the one right behind it. Pull up a loop, and that will finish the row. Then do a back pass as you normally would. At the end of the row, we've got 1 stitch left. Again, we'll change colors back to green. We'll be doing simple stitches on this row, so the first 3. And in the pumpkin cluster, do the same thing. Pick up those 5 stitches with the simple stitch. When you've got all 5 on your hook, then yarn over and pull through those 5. Don't pick up the 3 at the beginning of the row. So make sure you still have those 3 left. Pull it tight, then yarn over and pull through 1. Then 3 simple stitches in the next 3. Then a simple stitch in the next 5 double crochets. Yarn over and pull through 5 stitches, making sure you don't get the 3 that came before the pumpkin cluster. Yarn over, pull through 1, and tighten it down. Simple stitch in the next 3, and repeat that pattern all the way across to the end of the row. At the end of the row, we'll go through those edge loops again on the last stitch. So insert your hook into that one and into the one behind it, pull up a loop. Then continue the back pass. At the end of the row, these pumpkins are starting to stand out. Aren't they cute? Let's change colors again, back to orange. The pumpkins will be offset, so the next pumpkin will go in the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook as if to knit, yarn over and pull through one, and then 4 more double crochets in the same space. The next 3 stitches will be simple stitches. We'll put them there, 1, and then 1 right on top of the pumpkin, that's 2, and then the stitch right after that, that's 3. The next stitch will be another pumpkin. After the pumpkin, 3 simple stitches, 1 right there, 1 on top of the pumpkin, and 1 in the next stitch. And continue the pattern. This is how it looks after several rows. Aren't they cute? I love them. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.